Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today's pour I am going to use these 4 colors. I will write down the name of the colors on the description box. Before I start, I want to share with you how I prep my wooden panel. On the back you can see that I taped on the sides and then I primed my wooden panel using the Whoops paint bought from Home Depot with $2 and they go a long way. So this is the green I am using, and actually this is my custom green, and with that I am going to use some bronzish gold. So in this one I have 24K gold mixed with, which is from DecoArt, and I'm mixing it with some bronze high flow paint from Golden. This is Art Minds Mysterious, and this one I'm not going to mix any pouring medium with this. I'm just going to drop the paint right out of the jar. And the 4th color that I'm using, it's called Malibu, and this is also from Art Mind, and this is also going without any pouring medium. Here you are trying to look for the perfect balance between having too much paint or too little paint. You don't want too much paint that your design will run off on the sides or it will crack in the middle, or you don't want to have too little of a paint, then that when you are spinning it doesn't spread enough on the wooden panel. Now that I'm done with pouring all the paints on the little puddles, and now at the end I'm going to add the cell activator, which is black from Amsterdam. I'm putting that on each one of these little puddles, and after that I'm going to blow and spin. The recipes are going to be on the description box on the videos if in case you are interested. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, and I am doing this designs for a while, so you will, if you have watched my other videos, you'll know what I'm doing after. This one turned out so beautiful. The green and the blue and the aqua, the way the colors are blended, they are to die for. It's like stunningly beautiful. Just so you know, this one is available for sale. If you are interested, just let me know. We can arrange something, and I hope you enjoyed watching this.